How to make kefir smoothies at home. Kefir smoothies are a healthy and delicious way to enjoy the tangy goodness of kefir combined with the natural sweetness of fruits and other ingredients. Kefir is a fermented milk drink known for its probiotic benefits, which can improve gut health and boost the immune system. Ingredients: 1 cup of plain kefir, 1 cup of fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, bananas, mangoes, or peaches, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1/2 cup spinach or kale for a green smoothie boost, 1/2 cup almond milk, coconut water, or any milk of your choice optional, to adjust consistency. Procedure: begin by preparing the fruit and any other ingredients you're using. If you're using fresh fruit, wash it thoroughly, peel where necessary, and cut it into smaller pieces. For example, peel and slice bananas or remove the stems from strawberries. If you're using frozen fruit, there's no need to thaw it in advance, but you may want to adjust the amount of ice used later to achieve the desired consistency. Pour 1 cup of plain kefir into your blender. Kefir serves as the liquid base of the smoothie, offering probiotics and a creamy texture. Next, add 1 cup of fruit. This can be a single fruit or a combination depending on your taste. Some popular fruit combinations are bananas with strawberries or mango with pineapple for a tropical flavor. Frozen fruit works especially well in smoothies because it helps create a thicker, frostier texture. To boost the nutrient content and add a green smoothie element, throw in 1/2 cup of spinach or kale. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They'll blend into the smoothie seamlessly, especially if you're using a high-powered blender, and won't overpower the taste, making it a great option for those new to green smoothies. If you like your smoothie super creamy, you can add 1/2 cup of yogurt. This will not only give it a thicker texture but also increase the protein content. Alternatively, you can replace the yogurt with additional kefir if you prefer a lighter drink or if you don't have yogurt on hand. At this point, you can adjust the smoothie's consistency to your liking. If the smoothie is too thick, add a little almond milk, coconut water, or any milk of your choice. If you prefer a thicker texture, you can add a few ice cubes or frozen fruits. Blend until smooth and creamy, adding liquid or ice as necessary. Once all the ingredients are in the blender, secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the strength of your blender. Scrape down the sides of the blender as needed to ensure all ingredients are well blended. You should achieve a smooth, creamy texture. If the smoothie is too thick, you can stop blending and stir it manually. Pour the smoothie into a glass and serve immediately. If you like, you can garnish it with some extra chia seeds, a sprinkle of granola, or fresh fruit on top for an added touch of texture and flavor.